Hello guys, good morning. Ano yung mga diesel nga po repair guys. So, halos tanan po repair. Pila ni kabuk. Bang is line piecing. 5G. Ano yung mga dali. For repair 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9, 10 11, 12, 13 14, 15 15 kabok for repair. Tapos rin bye-bye ang load at Banglan, Sarangani Province. Banglan, Sarangani Province. Thank you guys for watching guys. Thank you for watching.